Donald Trump, Bhai of Dubai, RSS, BJP leaders and activist think tanks. What are the reasons? Someone gave application about someone to any police station. What are the reasons? Police are not calling you. Police are not taking action against you. What are the reasons? What are the reasons? Because police also want justice to the world by you. You can do it. No one is immortal, but you can do immortal work. How can it possible? Please, you don't hacking EVM. Please, you don't pressure any person. Please, you don't distribute money or gifts to voters. Very simple. Congress, India's and Mahavikas Aghadi's government is coming in India, definitely. For that, you must and you should cooperate the country and the world. Please, you don't hack EVM. Please don't distribute money or gift. Please don't run any worst your tactics. What will happen after some days? You and we all will live glad with secure together, definitely. Believe on believe, trust on trust. I am well wisher of world. Please try to understand. I am here and I am happy here. I can control any worst community, worst organization, definitely. Please cooperate the world. Please cooperate about our and your security. Please cooperate about our and your glad with security. You can do it, definitely. Please think very deeply about your past tense, your present tense, and your future tense. What will happen about you legally or illegally? I again and again request you, please, you must and you should neutral. Neutral is the best policy to live glad with secure to you. Please try to understand. Trust on trust, believe on believe.